Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve took too much space on AliExpress app. To know how to fix or how to solve took too much space on AliExpress app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of AliExpress app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.